one of the major chapter in mathematics is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is the combination of algebra and geometry. This is the combination of algebra and geometry. So, developed by the French mathematician René Descartes. René Descartes, French mathematician and philosopher. And also analytical geometry. This chapter is also known as analytical geometry. Analytical geometry means the combination of analysis and geometry. Analysis and geometry. So we know the plane. In this plane, we have to draw the one vertical line. This is x-axis. This is x-axis. This is vertical line. This is y-axis. This is y-axis. This is y-axis. The intersection point of x and y axis is known as origin, divided by the ordinates 0, 0. So this is positive x axis. This is negative x axis. This is positive y axis. This is negative y axis. So this system is known as rectangular system, rectangular coordinate system. So we can take any point on the x axis. This is suppose 3. We can write as 3, 0, 3, 0. Here we can take one point. This is 5, 0, 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. This is 1, this is 2, this is like that. So here we can take negative values. This is minus 3, 0. So we can take here minus values. So we can take 0, minus 4. So these are the coordinate system. So we can take any point. The point we can plot the in system like this. So 3, 0. So the point x, y. This is ordered pair. Ordered pair means two elements. Order means we have to arrange the two elements in such a way that within the small bracket. This is called ordered pair. So in this chapter we can call it as point. In this chapter we can call it as point. Point means x, y. So locate the coordinate system. This is the called coordinate system. This is coordinate system, rectangular coordinate. That's why this chapter is also known as coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. So we can take this name Descartes. So in this name we can take some letters. Cartesian geometry, also known as Cartesian geometry. So we can take some letters from the name of the scientist René Descartes, Cartesian. So we can take Cartesian geometry. Cartesian geometry. So these are the names of the coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is the combination of algebra and plane geometry. So analytical geometry is combination of analysis and plane geometry. So Cartesian geometry came from the word René Descartes, French mathematician and philosopher. So these are called both all different names of this chapter. This is the rectangular coordinate system. How to plot the points in the rectangular coordinate system? So we can take this is the we can take the point 3, 0. This is positive x-axis. On x-axis y coordinate 0. On x-axis y coordinate 0. On y-axis x coordinate 0. On y-axis x coordinate 0. So these are the points plot the coordinate system. Next, on the x-axis x-axis, y coordinate is 0. On the y-axis, x coordinate is 0. So in this x comma y, x is called abscissa. X is called abscissa, first element of x coordinate. Y is called ordinate. In this chapter, we can call it as first element is known as abscissa and the second element is known as ordinate. So first coordinate, first element or first coordinate. So y is the ordinate or second element, second y coordinate. So this is the notation of the x comma y in this chapter. So on the x-axis y coordinate 0, on the y-axis x coordinate is 0. So now next we can take this is the point 3 comma 0 is from the x-axis. From the x-axis 3 units. From the x-axis 3 units from x-axis. This is the equation of x-axis. This is the x-axis. So this is the y-axis. From y-axis, the distance from the point is 3 units. 3 units. This is y equal to 3 units. This is minus 3. Y equal to minus 3. Equation of line L equal to, this is L line. This is also L line. Equation of line L passing through the point 3 comma 0. So intersecting x-axis at the 3 comma 0. Equation is L comma L is equal to y equal to 3 units. Here y equal to minus 3 units. Like this, we can take this one. So here from the this point 0 comma 4 units from the x-axis. From the x-axis, so this will take 4 units. This is equation of this line equal to this equation this line equal to x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4. So we can take this one point. This one we can take this one. So this is the distance from the x-axis is 5 units. 5 units. 5 units now. 5 units. Equation of this line L equal to equation of this line equal to L equal to x is equal to 5 units. X is equal to 5. This equation is y equal to 3. X is equal to 5. X is equal to minus 4. Y equal to minus 3. So y equal to x is equal to 4. This is point. These are the points we get on the coordinate system. So from this we have to take the distance from the x-axis 5 at a distance of 5 units. That's why x is equal to 5 equation. So we can take this like this. The distance is from this point to this is 3 units. So we can take the equation is this is from the y-axis. Y-axis now. So this is y-axis now. This is x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to here y equal to 3. Y equal to 3. X is equal to 5. Y equal to 3. X is equal to minus 4. Y equal to minus 3. So this rectangle, the plane can be divided into 4 equal parts. Equal parts. Each part is known as quadrant. Quadrant means 1/4 part. 1/4 part. We can take in anti-clockwise direction. We can take an anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. So that's why we can take this one first, this one second, this one and this one. So these are the coordinates. First coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, fourth coordinate. The sign of these coordinates are this is plus, this also plus, this is negative, this is positive. So this is negative, this also negative. This is positive, this is negative. So we can take any one point on the, we can take suppose p comma x comma y. The symbol of this one is here x comma y. Here minus x comma y, minus x comma minus y. So x comma minus y. So plus means x greater than 0, y greater than 0. Minus means x less than 0, y greater than 0. So both are minus no, x greater less than 0, y less than 0. So here, so first quadrant both are positive. In second quadrant x is less than 0, y greater than 0. In third quadrant both are negative. So in fourth quadrant x is positive, y is negative. So this is the sides of the ordered pair or point on the coordinate system. So the next topics we will cover in the next video.